So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this gorgeous Daytona Sunset Orange 2005 Chevy Corvette. And this car comes to us a very, very nice driver quality Corvette that's had a lot of go fast goodies added to it, with that Vortech supercharger on that great 6-liter LS2 power plant. This car, and it's got more than that, but there's a long list that we'll get into later of the go fast goodies in this car. But you can see that factory Daytona Sunset Orange shines very well. It's a beautiful color with that added black wheels, tan leather interior, and the leather interior is in well above average condition. Just a gorgeous example of these C6 Corvettes. And it's not just a good looking car, it's a great driving car. So we'll grab the other cameras, we'll go for a test drive. I really do like that Daytona Sunset Orange for sure. You just don't see it.
No, not as often as like red or something.
So now we're ready to take that beautiful 2005 Chevy Corvette for a test drive.
Yep.
And that 6-liter LS2 fires right up.
Yeah, just like it should.
Yeah. I mean, really the drivetrain, well, it's got way less miles on it than the odometer. My odometer is reading,
Probably want to go to your trip meter.
oh, my trip, 103,925. But the drivetrain,
That's a fair amount less than that.
yeah.
I have to go back to the records to see, but I mean, the whole bottom end of the LS2 has been opened up. I mean, it's full forged rotating assembly, and actually just recently had all new bearings put in, and the crank was polished and balanced. So I mean, it's definitely set up in a nice recent refresh. So just a great performing engine, backed by a monster transmission. It's an automatic transmission to handle the extra horsepower provided by the Vortech V3 TI trim.
Supercharger.
Yeah.
And everything has been installed. You can definitely tell it was professionally installed.
Absolutely.
I mean, it all looks like the supercharger looks like it was born in the car.
Absolutely, yeah. And the supercharger kit came from A&A Corvette, so I mean, it was a kit specifically developed for the C6. So I mean, it kind of lends to the ease of installation.
And even with all the added horsepower this car has, it's a great driving Corvette still. It's very easy driving. It's very its street manners are very good.
They are.
You know, you could drive this car cross country, in town to get groceries, or, you know.
Yeah, definitely has been tuned well. So it starts up easy, cold starts are easy every single time, hot starts. I mean, like Dad said, I mean, it's no excuses. I mean, it's got great street manners when you want to just cruise. You do have a little bit of drone from the dual exhaust, but it just reminds you just have a little bit of horsepower, got great V8, no driving down the road, and then when you want to get into it.
Wonderful low when you're sitting at a stoplight.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, and all your modern conveniences work just like they should as well. Power windows, locks, AC. You got, you know,
I'm gonna turn mine down.
temperature control, dual climate control, heated seats. If you're gonna drive this when it's colder out, I guess. But heads-up display. You have an added air-fuel ratio.
Wideband gauge.
Yeah. So we're gonna let that LS2 breathe a little bit once we get out of this roundabout. generation Corvette or something with some added horsepower that, you know, if you feel like doing burnouts, this thing will do it all day long very easily. So it's a great driving car, great street manners, even with the added horsepower. You know, it's ready, it's turnkey, ready to enjoy. So, yeah, you know, you got above average condition interior. Your rear view mirror is a little bit loose, so when I step on it, it falls down a little bit. The padding in the driver's seat towards the back is breaking down a little bit. You got a little bit of wear in the leather, but
actually the inside of the bolsters on both seats are actually very nice. The outer bolster on that seat, on the outside, looks like they got punctured somehow.
yeah. But the rest of the interior is in very good shape here.
It is. Dash is nice and straight. Center console is nice and clean. You have a little age on the stitched Corvette logo. But I mean, overall, it doesn't present like a 100,000-mile Corvette. You can just tell it's been very lovingly cared for, maintained, and just nicely modified. So it's one that's going to present well at a local cruising or car show. I mean, it's going to get a lot of looks. People are going to like looking under the hood with the color-matched engine covers.
Yeah.
It's a great looking Corvette.
Fun driving car.
Yeah.
So if you're in the market, please stay tuned, watch the walk-around inspection. The car does have a little bit of age, which you expect on a car with 100,000 miles on the body. Basically just on the body of the car, the interior. But stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive portion of the video, we'll do the walk-around inspection portion of this video of this beautiful 2005 Chevy Corvette. And we'll go ahead and get right into it. That factory paint still shines very well. We'll start here with the driver's side portion of the windshield. There are just a couple real minor chips, but no cracks.
Let's say just very minor stone chips.
Yeah, very minor stone chips. But your plastic on the cowl, the side portion of the windshield is in very good condition. The left front fender, I will note it has been repainted, but very well. Shines very nicely.
So a slight color difference between the
Just a
bumper.
little discoloration, or yeah, difference in color. All four of your black wheels are in very good condition. You might have a little bit of clear coat teal on the center cap, but the tires are dated 2024, so they're in very good condition, have very few miles on them. Driver's side portion of the hood's in very good condition. There is just a little, something must have been on the hood, a decal or something.
There's a bubble in that stripe.
Yeah. And across the front, you got a couple, just a handful of little stone chips, but not very many. It's less than average.
Your fog lamps have been deleted. There's an oil cooler on this side and trans cooler on the other.
Your headlights are in good condition, showing little age. And then the passenger side of the hood's in very good condition. Not really seeing any condition items to speak of.
A couple minor stone chips just outside of the headlight.
Now behind the wheel, we do have some chipping from stones. Your passenger side front wheels in very good condition. Passenger side of the windshield's in very good condition.
The trim has come loose at the base of the windshield.
Then coming to your passenger side of the door and glass, it's in very good condition. You do have a couple minor chips right there on the door.
Oh, scratch just in front of the...
Some scratch, probably from the seat belt.
Yeah. You have a couple minor scratches really down low on the rocker. All very minor. I mean, you see how well that paint shines.
And the roof is in very good condition. Coming into the interior, see a above average condition interior. It's in good condition.
Of course, there's no rust on the doors. They're fiberglass. Your door panel's in very good condition, showing very, very little wear. You have a little bit just on the button for the door release, but not bad. So your door jambs are nice and clean. There's threshold. No heavy scuff, scratches, or defects to note there. Your plastic on the inside is in very good condition. Floor mats are in excellent condition. There's some aftermarket Corvette racing ones installed. You do have some just minor age and maybe some slight staining in the center console carpet. The passenger seat is in very good condition for the age, showing just some slight wear in the leather, but no heavy cracks or tears anywhere to really note. Your dash throughout's nice and straight, free of warping or cracks. Center console's very clean. Do have some age in the Corvette logo on the center console, but not bad. So the inside of the top, in very good condition. All your black plastic showing very well.
Coming back outside the car, and the passenger rear quarter panel, free from cracks. We do have some stone chipping behind the tire.
You have a little, looks like it might have been, actually it looks like there's mud flaps installed on this car at one point. So I think there's screw holes in the fiberglass.
Rear wheels in very good condition. Your rear glass throughout's in excellent condition, free of any chips or cracks. Same with your rear deck lids in very good condition. We might have, got a little minor chip right there. And there's a little bit of age to the black stripes. In good condition. Your rear spoiler's in good condition. Same with the rear fascia across the back of the car. Taillights are in very good condition. We do have a couple little touch-ups right there. Coming into the trunk. Well, it's not really a trunk. The rear hatch area. Your carpet's in good condition. It's got a little bit of age, but it does look like it's sparingly used. Props work just like they should, and so does the soft close. Coming into the driver's side rear quarter, very comparable to the passenger side. You got some stone chipping behind the tire.
Screw holes from the previously mounted mud flaps.
We do have a little bit of scratching on the edge of the door, a little scratch there. Some more chipping probably from the seatbelt on this side as well. Your rear wheel does have a little bit of
curb rash on this one.
Rash
on the left rear. A couple little nitpicky stone chips there.
But the passenger, your driver's side door glass is in good condition. Some minor little scratches there. Your mirror's in good condition, showing little age, but has a couple little
very minor defects there.
Yeah, you got a little chip right there. And pretty much everything on this car could be touched up pretty easily.
Yeah, you got a touch up down low that we missed earlier, but again, you have a couple little nitpicky stone chips on the rocker. Not bad.
And coming into the driver's side of the interior, very comparable to the passenger side.
Driver's side door panel, again, very comparable to the passenger side. We're missing a lot of the black on that door release there. The other buttons are nice and legible, especially for the memory seats. This door jamb, just as clean as the passenger side. Show that they took some care getting in and out of the Corvette. Do have a couple minor scuffs in the tan plastic. The driver's side floor mat is very clean. Just as nice as passenger side. You gotta come scuffing on the plastics down low. You do have like a puncture in the leather on the bolster on the outside, but the inside of the bolster is in very good condition. And same with your seat, has plenty of padding. You do have maybe just a minor defect in the leather there. Your center console showing very little wear. Go ahead and get in the car. Show you the dash. All your gauges are nice and legible. push button start, showing all the images, and the lettering is nice and crisp and legible. Across the dash is nice and clean. You do have an added AEM wideband gauge, which is nice on these boosted cars. Actually, both of your visors, other than you're missing the mirror cover on this one, are in very good condition.
Coming back outside the car, we'll go under the hood where the money shot is on this particular C6 Corvette, housing that great LS2 6-liter, that added Vortech supercharger, very tastefully installed. Looks almost like the car was born that way. So now I'll jump in it, fire it up, show you some lights working.
That LS2 6-liter fires right up just like it should. No knocking, no weird noises. Here's great news. You'll store your coffee in the interior. Okay, then you got your headlights, your brights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. Again, no fog lamps because they've been deleted for the coolers. There's our running lights, our brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and reverse lights. All your lights work just as they should.
Kind of sad this is the end of the video, but if you're in the market, you definitely want to take a very close look at this gorgeous C6 Corvette. And if you want something that's going to stand out in the crowd, this color will do it. And that's that great sound and that lobe and that very well built drivetrain. Take a very close look at this beautiful 2005 Corvette. Rock Solid Motorsports.